Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to use printable Cricut vinyl. The first thing you want to do is go into Design Space and click Upload. You're going to click Upload Image, and then you're going to search to your computer and choose the image that you want to print and cut. And the image that I'm going to select is my logo. And once you have that selected, you're going to choose whether you want it to be simple, moderately complex, or a complex image, and this basically determines how your image will, the visuals of your image. So I'm going to select complex because it's the best quality. Then I'm going to click continue once we get to this page. Next, you want to make sure that your image is saved as a print then cut and not a cut image. After the image has been saved as a print then cut, you want to then insert the image into the design space. Now that the image has been uploaded, you will notice that it is in the square shape, but my logo is in the heart shape. So to get this in the heart shape, I'm going to blow it up. However, you will notice this little triangle, this caution triangle, because print then cuts can only be a certain size. However, we're going to ignore that because we're not going to actually print it this large. And to get it into that heart shape that you saw, I'm going to go over to Shapes and click on the heart. And then I'm going to just blow it up to the size of this entire image. After I have adjusted the hearts to the size of my liking, I am going to then slice the excess corners out. And what you want to do, you want to select the entire image and click Slice. After the image has been sliced, you're just going to delete the extras. So delete the heart, and then you're going to delete the extras of the outline of the heart. The next step is for me to resize the heart into smaller hearts and continue to duplicate this image so that I have a full page of hearts, which will then be my little sticker logos. Next, you would just go up to the top corner and click Make It. And then you will click continue and make sure that you do not mirror this because printable vinyl does not get mirrored. Next, you're going to send to printer, and I'm going to turn add bleed off. You can choose to keep it on, but I prefer to take it off, and click print. And once I click print, it is going to send to my printer and it will print. After your image has been printed, you want to be sure that you have the correct material selected. So you're going to click Search Materials and search Printable Vinyl and click that. And then you would just load the image into your Cricut as you would any other vinyl. And that is it for this video, guys. That is how you use the Cricut brand printable vinyl using the print then cut option. I hope you all enjoy this short tutorial. Don't forget to share it with all your crafting friends, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.